Hello lovelies, welcome back. Trust you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare a delicious peppered gizzard and yam. This tasted so super good that after eating, you will keep asking for more. Why not join me and let me show you how I prepared this delicious recipe. For this recipe, we are going to be needing gizzard. Yeah, as you can see here, the gizzard is well cleaned. Now pour into the pot and go ahead to season it up. So I added some chopped onions, some soya sauce, but this is totally optional. Now go ahead and add in some curry powder.
As long as it concerns
season cubes, feel free to use any seasonings of your choice. Ginger and garlic paste, some salt to taste,
you don't need to
some water. Alright, once done, stir it, cover the pot and allow to cook until the gizzard is properly done.
So anytime, any place where you MIRA'S kitchen there for you.
While we are waiting for the gizzard to cook, let's go ahead to peel the skin of the yam. Okay, the yam is well cleaned already. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, thank you so much. We really appreciate. And please do not forget to subscribe, like, share our videos, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for you to be the first, the number one to be notified any day, anytime a new video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. We really appreciate. All right. So now we are done peeling the yam. Go ahead and cut into cubes or to your desirable size. Once done, transfer in a bowl of water, add some salt, wash it properly, and set aside.
Belly they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's resin in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand, you know fit ginger.
Some minutes later, let's check on the pot. Yeah, at this point, the gizzard is properly done. Now go ahead and separate it out from the stock. Okay, so at this point, you can as well grill or fry yours. So I will be grilling this gizzard. Once done, set it aside. Now it's time to fry the yam. Of course, we're going to be frying the yam, not cooking, but if you prefer cooking, you can as well do that. So in a preheated pan, I added some vegetable oil and allowed to heat up. Once done, add in or throw in some onions. Yeah, once done, go ahead and add in the yam and fry until it is properly done. And also keep checking on it or stirring from time to time so you don't end up with burnt fried yam. Once the yam is done frying, just the way you're seeing here, take it out from the oil and set aside. In the same pot, I reduced the oil because the oil was so much, so I added little oil, added some salt, some chopped onions, and saute for about 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, I go in with my roughly blended redbell pepper. Stir very well and keep frying until it reduces in quantity and oil flow to the top of the sauce. And make sure you keep stirring from time to time so that you don't end up with burnt sauce. Alright, once done, go ahead to season it up with some ginger and garlic paste, some curry powder,
MIRA'S kitchen there for you.
oregano,
MIRA'S kitchen there for you.
season cubes,
Put call we active.
some diced carrots,
As long as it concern food, as long as it concern kitchen, as long
fresh pepper at your taste.
call Mobajo.
Now mix until everything is well combined.
Tabi follow.
This recipe is so simple and quick to prepare, honestly. Now I pour in the fried yam, add in the grilled gizzard. Go ahead and mix everything until it is well combined.
MIRA'S kitchen there for you. And there for put call we active.
Now we are done mixing. We are going to be taking this recipe to another level by adding some mixed bell pepper. Wow, give it a stir. Add some cabbage. Yeah, this is totally optional, but with this, the taste was so super. Honestly, now mix until it is well combined. The full list of ingredients will be dropped in the description box below or comment section. Hurry up, grab yours and enjoy this delicious and amazing recipe. Honestly, you will not regret this. Okay.
Belly they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's reason in your belly.
Finally, I added the spring onions and give it a nice stir. Once done, cover the pot and cook for another 1 minute.
Go back on this, so anytime, any place where you dey. MIRA'S kitchen there for you.
1 minute later, let's check on the pot. Wow, the type of aroma coming out from this kitchen, you cannot resist it. Honestly, give it a nice stir and turn off the cooker, and it is ready to be served. Enjoy with any chilled drink of your choice. This tasted so super delicious. If you are a yam lover like me, honestly, this is another way you can enjoy your yam. Hope you try out this recipe and let us know what you think in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in our next one and remain blessed. Bye.